Hey everyone. So today I'm going to go through how to set up a ClickUp account. And ClickUp is the project management platform and the task management platform I've been using for a few years now. It's my preferred platform, but I still really like Asana and Monday.com as well. And that's partly why I've done videos for both of those too. And I think my belief is it really depends on each individual or each company and what they need and how they wish to work. So there are some differences, although Asana, Monday.com, and ClickUp, I think, are pretty much close enough that you could probably choose any of them. And the main issue is usually going to be your company and how it operates, more so than the platform. However, ClickUp is really great. I'm a big fan because it has a lot of flexibility, a lot of functionality, things you can add in and change and make it really specific to what you need. But it does take a little bit more time to sort of set that up and make it work for you. So today we're going to create a new account and I'll just show you how to do that. So let's start by clicking Get Started. It's free. And I'm going to use my team at terrific.digital email address. Okay, so terrific team. And now go to my email, the code from the email. Okay, what would you like to use ClickUp for? Work, personal, school. Work. How large is the company? How many people you'll be working with? What solution would you like to start with? Let's say we're going to use it to manage the marketing team. How did you hear about us? YouTube. We're going to skip that for now. We'll name it Terrific Demo. We'll skip the video, but you're welcome to watch that. Now you can see here in ClickUp, we have the navigation bar at the top. We've got a side navigation here, and we've got the main space here. So a space is kind of like a team in a company, you could say. So we could have, for example, this could be the marketing team or the marketing function. It could be like a department. So like so. And then these project 1, project 2, these are task lists. So this could be a project. It could be like a general list that you've got set up for marketing. And we can see here, it all looks a little bit complicated, but basically if we concentrate just on this side, we can see that we've got the home, the inbox, docs, dashboard, more, and then the different spaces. As this is just a quick intro on setting up an account, I won't go into the detail of all of this. I might cover that in another video. But essentially you just have like a task list like this, and we can close this to keep it nice and clean. And then here we have the name of this list, and then we've got this grouped into the different statuses like this. We can see here, we can see it just like so with our different statuses like this. If we wanted to add in another task, we can do it like this, and then we can update statuses like so. We can change how this looks back like this, and under the statuses we can also manage them and change them to other names if we want. We can either use custom, or we can select one of the templates. And so we can, for example, have like Kanban board view. This one here is like some marketing statuses they've got set up here. So to move things through different stages in a process, depending on what you're doing. And so then you can just click and adjust them. And then it will go to the different sections when they're created like that. So it's super duper quick intro to how to set up an account. Obviously very easy. The hard part is actually using customizing it to how you need it and then using it. I'll do another video later with a bit more detail about using ClickUp. And there are some other great videos online as well that cover this. But in the meantime, give this a go. Let me know if you have any questions. And feel free to subscribe for other content relating to sales and marketing, operations and software. And feel free to share any questions or comments below. It would be great to hear from you. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.